If you look into it deeply, all the parents, we are probably sailing in the same boat. We are facing a few issues which are there. And as I said, there are so many reels, Instagram flooded with reels. Our AI is our second companion now. There is so much of information to us that we are literally confused as to what is right and what is wrong.
Old parenting felt too strict. Modern parenting sometimes feels too soft. And many parents quietly wonder, if I don't shout, will my child even listen to me? We keep promising ourselves, I will be different. But in the moment, in that chaos, the crying, the pressure, you react even before you can think. That tiny pause between trigger and reaction. That's where conscious parenting begins. Now, let me ask
Just to parents, when you feel that your child is arguing too much, is like, first of all, you have to listen to them. The connect is very important. Come to their level, listen to what the argument is about, because children are smart nowadays. Okay, let them put their point forward. Based on that, you can respond with a valid reason, and slowly you have to close the discussion and move forward.
So, grandparents, they have this extra affection for their grandchildren, which is somewhat missing with their own children. But with grandparents, they have this grand affection. So they try to pamper the grandchildren.
With me, and I mean, my husband always says, ye meri maa hai, the way she deals with my children. Okay, so if your in-laws or parents are staying with you, because with today's generation in which there are single children, children are losing the value of family. They don't understand the concept of empathy, sharing, and all those things. And I think grandparents staying is a big deal. The things they teach is something that we cannot teach them. Okay,